Rocket, and it's time to put your calculation cap on and play Psycho Math. Whoa, yeah! I know I'm insane in the membrane. Okay, here's how Psycho Math works. I'm gonna show you equations, but I'll be using pictures and things, and you got to figure out what they stand for. Then you just have to do the math. Now let's start with the number of years in a millennium. Then add it to the number of legs on a flamingo. Now you divide it by the number of states that don't touch any other states. You got the answer? Okay, you take the 1,000 years in a millennium plus the 2 legs on a flamingo, and then divide it by the 2 states, Hawaii and Alaska, that don't touch any other states. And the answer is 501. That's 501. That's one mighty fine number. Hang on, because another one is coming at you. How many horns does a rhinoceros have? Plus the number that Independence Day falls on. Then take away the number of senses that humans have. Of course, I am not counting ESP. Now, what does it equal? Okay, the rhinoceros only has 1 horn. Plus 4 is the number of the 4th of July. Minus the 5 senses, see, smell, taste, touch, hear, equals 0. That's C-E-R-O. That number has no magnitude or quantity, but I love it anyway. Okay, one more, because Prop Rocket's only one man. How many days are in 2 weeks? Then subtract the number of horns a triceratops has, minus the number of holes in a standard bowling ball. Now, I know you can do it. Your time's up. There are 14 days in 2 weeks, minus 3 horns on a triceratops, minus 3 holes in a bowling ball, equals 8. You got it. 8. You are great. You get it right? I know you did. Okay, that's it. I'm done with you. Professor Rocket is exhausted and has had his head exploded all night long. But that doesn't mean I won't be back, because I love Psycho Math. Professor Rocket's out of here.